So I've had my AirPod Maxes for a couple years and the ear cushions finally gave up, so I got new ones. They are pretty old and stingy, and one of them completely, well, I guess it's this one, fell apart. Kind of see, I tried to glue it to make it work, but it messed with the noise canceling. It just didn't sound right between the two ears, as there was sound leakage through the cracks, and it just doesn't work right. So we got some new ones here from Apple, and these are definitely not the cheapest things to replace, but considering the 2 years that the original ones lasted, I know these will last about that long too. So yeah, very well packed as usual, and you do get them as a pair. And they're brand new and a fresh feeling, as these do get clogged up eventually, as you guys maybe can see, and they do get pretty nasty over time. So I would even consider changing these once a year just for that reason. You can wash them, but that does weaken the adhesive in there somewhat, and they could fall apart eventually. So in any case, let's go ahead and put these new ones in. So we got the left here, and they are labeled. And they are magnetic, and so yeah, like new again, headphones feeling very fresh around my ears.